Hello friends, in today's practical we are going to perform superposition theorem. So this is the practical circuit where we have to connect two DC power supplies. One is 10 volt and other one is 5 volt. So we have connected three resistor like this. So we have used 5.41 kilo ohm, 6.63 kilo ohm and 4.66 kilo ohm. Okay. So this is our practical circuit. Here we have used 5.41 kilo ohm. Then we have used here 4.66 kilo ohm, and here we have used 6.63 kilo ohm. Okay. So we have made arrangement and we have supplied one power supply as 10 volt and other power supply as 5 volt. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find out current through this 6.66 kilo ohm resistance. Okay, when both the supplies are on, and we have to check whether superposition theorem satisfies this condition or not. So if you check the voltage across 6.66 kilo ohm resistance, so we are getting reading as 5.40 volt. Here we are getting current is equal to 5.4 divided by 6.63 k is equal to 0.814 milliampere. So this is total current flowing through the resistance 6.63 kilo ohm when both the power supplies are on. Now we have to check whether superposition theorems gives same reading or not. So in superposition theorem we have to calculate the response through 6.63 kilo ohm resistance individually. Okay, if you see the circuit, then we have replaced this 5 volt power supply by its internal resistance. Okay, and now we have taken only 10 volt power supply. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate current passing through this 6.63 kilo ohm resistance. If you calculate the voltage across resistance, okay, so the multimeter is providing us the reading, that is 3.46 volt. By using this voltage, if you calculate current I1, we are getting it as 0.522 milliampere. Now in second step, you have to remove first power supply and connect second power supply, that is 5 volt. Okay, so we have removed here the first power supply and we have made it as short. Okay, because of its internal resistance. Now if you calculate the voltage across 6.63 ohm resistance, the voltmeter shows reading as 1.96 volt. By using this reading, we can find out current I2 as 0.295 milliampere. So if you calculate the current I by using superposition theorem, you will get I is equal to I1 plus I2, that is 0.522 milliampere plus 0.295 milliampere. So finally we are getting current as 0.917 milliampere. So initially we are getting, when both the sources are connected, we are getting 0.814 milliampere, but by using superposition theorem, that is by replacing every other source and calculating individual source response, we are getting this current. So it is near about same, that is 817 milliampere and 0.814 milliampere. So this conclude that superposition theorems satisfies all the conditions.